Good morning, everybody. Of course, I'm Tom, coming to you live from Crandall and Associates, doing some more behind-the-scenes look at our office. If you've been tuning into our lives last time we did a live, I had a ton of sticky notes here. Luckily, they're all gone. This one doesn't count because it's my dry cleaning. I have to count it to make sure that they give me all my clothes back. But since we got to take a look at my office and embarrass myself a little bit, I think we should go take a look in Lauren's office because it is fourth quarter right now. And anybody who works in the insurance industry knows benefits gets crazy in fourth quarter. So let's go take a look. And everyone too, this is Charlotte, our receptionist. If you've ever called our main office number, she's the one who's answering. We're gonna go check out Lauren's office. What do you think?
Oh no, there's always something going on in Lauren's office.
Let's go see what's going on. See, we even got a note. Deacon's here.
Oh, we have a friend here today.
Oh,
He's another employee and he helps us a lot.
He's our emotional support dog, so when things get crazy.
he's actually being really good right now.
And his name is Deacon. Say hi, Deacon. Say hi to Sarah.
Deacon had surgery about a month ago, 2 months ago maybe, so that's why he's shaved.
Because Lauren used to make him run when he never ran before. Poor baby.
Okay, that's fine. No comments from the peanut gallery.
So how are things going, Lauren, in fourth quarter?
Just another day in paradise. So be here on October 29th, 30th. 30th.
Yep.
Yep, tomorrow is trick or treat.
Height of fourth quarter.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Anybody that knows anything about employee benefits, fourth quarter, gotta have Xanax,
Oh my god.
margaritas. What else?
We don't do any of that. Maybe the margarita thing.
No, it's fourth quarter is really rough in the employee benefit business because all the accounts were due. So
that's why we have the emotional support dog.
yes,
For anybody who feels
and
overwhelmed.
he helps a lot, right, Deacon? Yes, you do.
All right,
Well,
everybody.
thanks for visiting us today.
Dropping in. Until next time.
Yes.
Tom, come sit back.
Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for tuning in. We'll see y'all next time.
Happy Halloween.